Is M1 Finance still the reliable, set-it-and-forget-it investing platform we loved, or has it changed too much to keep up? It's 2025, and the world of finance is moving fast. M1 Finance has always stood out with its unique blend of do-it-yourself portfolio control and automated features. But with new fees and fresh competition, the question is, in 2025, is M1 Finance still the smart money move for your long-term wealth? Context: the hybrid edge. For anyone unfamiliar, M1 Finance isn't a traditional broker or a pure robo-advisor, it's a powerful hybrid. They let you build your portfolio into what they call pies, customizing the percentage allocation of every stock, ETF, or even crypto slice. This is the control part. The automation comes in with commission-free trading, fractional shares, and the absolute game-changer, dynamic rebalancing. This feature means any new cash automatically goes to the underweight slices of your portfolio, keeping you on track without you lifting a finger. It's truly built for the long-term, buy-and-hold investor who values discipline over daily trading. The 2025 update, reliability check. So, let's talk about 2025. Is M1 still reliable? The short answer is yes, but with caveats. The core investment platform is just as robust. They remain a member of FINRA and SIPC, which is your standard safety net, ensuring securities up to $500,000. The PI system and automated investing tools still work flawlessly and are perfect for dollar-cost averaging and maintaining your desired asset allocation. However, the major shift is around cost and access. M1 introduced a small, monthly platform fee for accounts under a $$10,000 minimum balance. This is the new hurdle. If you're a beginner with a small account, that fee eats into your returns. But if you meet that $$10,000 threshold or have an active personal loan, the platform remains essentially commission-free for stocks and ETFs, which is fantastic value. Beyond investing, the Finance Super App. What makes M1 even more reliable now is its evolution into a broader Finance Super App. It's not just about investing anymore. First, you have the high-yield cash account with a competitive APY, offering a great place to park your emergency fund. Second, the M1 Borrow feature, which is one of the cheapest ways to access a line of credit against your portfolio, perfect for low-interest liquidity without selling assets. Third, the Smart Transfers feature lets you create automation rules across all your M1 accounts. For example, keep $$500,000 in your cash account and automatically invest anything over that into your Roth IRA. It's next-level financial automation. These features, especially the integration of high-yield savings and margin loans, create a more cohesive, reliable ecosystem for managing all your money, not just your investments. Conclusion: who is M1 for in 2025? M1 Finance in 2025 is more mature, more feature-rich, and yes, still highly reliable for its target audience. It is not for the day trader, as it still operates with limited trading windows and lacks advanced order types like stop-loss orders. It is absolutely for the long-term, hands-off investor who wants to automate a customized, diversified portfolio.